It's Walter Martin back, helping you find some of the best sales and deals on used vehicles in your particular area. And today we're going to go into Rockford, Illinois, and look at some of the best deals. So the first thing we need to do is go to google.com and type in Craigslist Rockford, Illinois, and hit enter. And the first listing that's going to come up is rockford.craigslist.org. Go ahead and click there. This is going to take you to the generic Craigslist page. If you're not finding what you're looking for on this page, there's always the nearby Craigslist over here on the right. As you can see, there are many of them, so don't feel as if your options are limited. I always go to the for sale section and I click on cars and trucks. Then I go to buy owner only. This gives you some of the lowest prices for used vehicles on the internet, and you'll see quickly. Here's a $700 Mazda MX-6. Now, finding a vehicle under $1,000 could be difficult, but on Craigslist it literally takes minutes. So something I will warn everyone about is if you see a vehicle under $2,000, make certain that the vehicle does run. A lot of times people will try to get rid of a vehicle that is not running for a cheap price, and this clearly says the main problem the car has is it sometimes stops running. So, this is a major concern. You want the vehicle to run. So before making any final decisions on a used vehicle, always make sure the vehicle does run. Also, I would suggest looking through several different classified ads. There's no limit to the number of ads on Craigslist, so every day you'll see hundreds and thousands of cars. And look for some of them that say or best offer, or some people will put OBO. If you can find a vehicle that is OBO, you could get it for a lower price just because the seller is not getting interest at the current price point. So these are just a few tips and tricks I like to use when searching for Craigslist for used cars. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.